Let's start. Today we will see how to plot supports and resistances levels in the TradingView Pine script. We will use the swing high-low code for this tutorial. This is the indicator function with the name, supports, and resistances. Here we use the highest function to find the highest value in a range of 20 bars at a time. Then, we get the high, low, and close values of the highest bar. If a bar closes below the low of the highest bar, then we conclude that the highest bar is final and concrete. Then we find the bar index of the highest bar. And then we plot a box around the high and close values of this highest bar. This box acts as a support in a bearish trend and resistance in a bullish trend. Here we use the lowest function to find the lowest value in a range of 20 bars at a time. Then, we get the high, low, and close values of the lowest bar. If a bar closes above the high of the lowest bar, then we conclude that the lowest bar is final and concrete. Then we find the bar index of the lowest bar. And then we plot a box around the low and close values of this lowest bar. This box acts as a support in a bullish trend and resistance in a bearish trend. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, the green and red colored boxes are the supports and resistances levels in the respective bullish and bearish trends. So that's it. That's how you can find the supports and resistances in the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.